Where are we headed, guys?
The rainforest. To a rainforest.
Rainforest is today physical challenge day. Yeah, we're having a lollipop to start a physical challenge. And then Trav with his bicycle top on so that he can carry the water.
Shut up, I'm doing it for the family.
Alright, where are we going, Trav? Tell us what we're doing.
Walking to Erskine Falls from Lorne, about 8k, 9k.
Cool.
Uphill.
Who's excited?
I'm also scared for snakes.
Yeah, me too, and leeches. This is our first bridge crossing. How are we going, guys?
Good. Scared.
Kelly's doing well.
Everyone's doing.
First aid officer's fine, going it.
Yeah, Hamish is the official first aid officer. He's carrying the band-aids. So here we are, walking. I think we've been doing for about half an hour maybe. Wow, look at that tree. Tilly, look at that tree.
I know. Look, I bet you the Gruffalo lived in it.
Probably. Okay, we started the jog. Hamish! Another crossing, Till. How's those wet shoes? Come on, catch up, little one. Come on. Oh. Okay, so the track's got really rocky all of a sudden. So we're just manoeuvring over the rocks and finding a path, aren't we, Tills? Tilly's being a champion trooper with her little wet feet. Yes, Trav and the kids over there. Wow!
So we're halfway up the track from Lorne Caravan Park to Erskine Falls. I've got a cycling top on because I've got the water.
We know that.
Idiot.
And we've had 1 foot in the water so far. We've got 9 river crossings to get through. And
What?
oh, Hamish, what did you say this was better than? Tell it out.
Disneyland.
Hamish reckons it's better than Disneyland. Because
Let's go,
he's
Tilly,
getting
go
to
out.
explore and rock hop and jump logs, and he's loving it. So
Let's go. Alright, I'm going to get a photo, guys.
Ella and Phoebe aren't so sure if it's better than Disneyland.
Hamish, I want to take a photo. Mate,
No hand. No.
mate, go back on the thing, please.
No, you'll put your challenge yourself.
Right, everyone stay. Everyone get
Hamish
a
just
vlog.
fell in. No, I need a photo. You right, little man? Oh, that's it. Okay, there's a little stream down below. It goes up there. What just happened?
A stinging nettle just got me.
We can't hear you. Can you face this way?
A stinging nettle just got me right on the leg.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, it's really stinging, but I can't see where it's hurt me. So, but as you can see, it's just a bit of
A little scratch.
Yeah.
I'll try to avoid the stinging nettle. Here's Tarzan and Jane. Okay. How you going, Tilly?
It's split in two and it hit that tree and it hit that, this tree hit that tree.
Imagine we're climbing over. Imagine how noisy that would have been.
There's
Doesn't
nothing.
make any noise though. And where you going?
Go with Daddy, little man.
Just go explore. Go.
Careful.
where are you going?
Mate, the thing's over there, buddy.
That's the work, Anne.
Be slow down and be careful, guys. He's totally going again. Hamish. Oh, he's in again. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
Whacking myself with this branch.
Show us. Why are you doing that?
He's snapped it before.
He's so strong. All right, quick, get your hat.
Snap it.
Cool. Come on.
Yeah.
So we're really in thick rainforest now. It's beautiful. We're calling Hamish Ninja Boy because he keeps jumping over things. Look at him power up that hill.
Is that the favourite thing?
We're pretty high here, aren't we, Haim?
Yeah.
And there's a nice little, see how all the rocks are flat? Really thick rainforest now. Here we are at a crossing.
So you got to jump, you got to step to that dry bit. 1, 2, 3.
Pretty.
I got you. Step. And Heidi, you probably want to do it yourself.
Yep.
Alright, look at that. Look at a bloody monkey. See what you're trying to do?
Oh, I've got a
So you
good
can see,
one.
ooh,
Yeah.
Can I go
Get out. Allah.
good one now. Hamish.
Come on, no wet foot. Yeah, alright, I've got a feeling this is the one where there could be loose rocks.
Hamish, point to that little sign so we can see the little arrow that shows us the way.
Can you help me? I don't know.
Dad, watch that.
Watch Daddy.
Because that's pretty easy. Watch that. You go 1, 2, 3. That's how easy it is. But you don't hesitate and stop. Go there, get there slowly, and then look at what you got to do.
I'm not
And
going
then
this
just
way.
take 3 steps.
Yeah, I know
stand
where
up
I'm
next to
going.
the rock,
Where are you going?
alright, and then just don't hesitate. Go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yes. Billy's going her own way. You can go your own way. Go your own
All right, show us, Till, that sometimes the opposite way is the good way. Mummy's filming. Amazing.
Billy's found a beautiful pathway.
I might go your way, Tilly.
Go rock hopper. Sliding on her out. Keep going.
Take your time. You might need help up the embankment, Trav. Tilly, good job. So we found a little waterfall. It's beautiful. Hamish. So I just stopped and made a little video for Wellness Mummy, and I think they left me in the bush. So I thought I'd video this. No idea which way I'm going. I can't even hear them. So, and I don't know which way I'm supposed to be going. Oh. I reckon that's the path over there. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Just beautiful. I think we saw a platypus before, which was really cool. I really wish we could see it again. Okay, I'm going to put my phone away in case I drop it.
Where?
Woohoo! We did it! Yay! Yay! Steady driving.
Great work, kids.
Everybody did such a good job. It was lots and lots of fun. And it's, how long did it take us, Trav?
It took us 2 1/4.
2.25 hours you've been hiking in the rainforest. Hamish, what was your best bit?
When I kept falling in water.
Yeah, did you learn anything?
I learned that the water's cold.
Good one. What about you, Phoebes? What's your best bit?
My best bit was seeing Tilly and Hamish fall in.
Yeah.
Really funny.
And did you learn anything?
Yeah, I learned that when you're really tired, you just need to keep going.
Good one. I like that. What about you, Tilly? What did you learn? Or what was your best bit?
My best bit was when I jumped over all the rocks when we were climbing up a hill, and Dad called me Ninja.
Yeah, that was good. And did you learn anything?
That
Stinging nettle.
they hurt.
Yeah, they hurt. Good job. What about you, Al?
My best bit was getting to the end and finishing
Yeah.
with my family.
Yeah. And what'd you learn?
And I learned that you can keep going long after you thought you couldn't.
Good.
Yeah.
I like that. All right. What about you, Trav?
My best bit was when the rainforest got really thick and deep, and it got really dark and it cooled down. I reckon that's amazing. And what I learnt was that we've got amazing kids who are super fit, and the kids don't give up, so we're teaching them cool stuff. So great work, kids. Very proud.
Very proud. And my best bit was just the whole journey of hanging out with these guys and all the little conversations and songs that were being hummed and sung, and the stream, and the air was so clean and beautiful. I just loved being in the rainforest. And what I learned that we should do more of that kind of stuff, because it was really fun, and it was just great to spend that much time together and achieve that. We'd planned it. Trav rode his bike up the hill. You can see we're driving down the hill now. He brought the car up and rode his bike home, and then we all set off on our physical challenge, our adventure. So good work, Fitzies!
Well done, guys.
Woohoo!